If you've ever heard the word Irie and wondered what it means, you're not alone. It's one of the most popular words in reggae music, but it can be hard to understand its meaning and why people use it so much. The word Irie is an adjective that means good, positive, or cool. For example, you might hear someone say, "How Irie are you?" which would mean, "How good are you doing?" or "How positive are you feeling?" The word Irie is often used to describe something that is pleasant or enjoyable, like a nice beach day or a good song. But that's not all. The word Irie also has a spiritual meaning. In some cases, it's used to describe something that is blessed or lucky. For example, you might say Irie when something good happens to you, like winning the lottery. The word Irie is so popular in reggae music that there's even a whole genre of reggae songs called Irie vibes, which are meant to spread good vibes and positive energy. So next time you hear the word Irie, remember it means good, positive, or cool. And if you're feeling grateful for something, be sure to say Irie, because it's sure to spread some good vibes. Like the music on this channel. Check it out and get in a Irie.